Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 6. I'd almost want to say I promise this is the last one, but I'm not going to guarantee anything. This is not over under. We need to have some lines disappeared. So what we could do is take the rectangle tool and go from that intersection to that intersection. It's got to be right on the money. Let me make sure it is. Yeah, see, that's a little bit off. It'd almost be better to, you know what? This would be better. Let's try this. Let's make a duplicate of that and nudge it over. Duplicate of that and nudge it over. And take away the fill. We'll take away the lines. And no, that ain't going to work. I'm trying to get it where I can, because those are lines. You know what? Just make them all black. See what happens. Maybe that will help us. I don't think so. You know what? Let's do this. I don't want to convert these to an object, but I can convert this to an object, but I need to ungroup all and then select it. I didn't think I was going to have to do this. Convert the outlines to an object, left click, right click. Now we got hairlines. And because we've nudged, we can take our rectangle tool and go from that intersection to that intersection. Look at that. Now I can get rid of this one and I can take this one and nudge it over. Now, because we're working in the center of the page, I can Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees, and it'll be exactly where we want it. Now I'm going to keep this because we're going to have to do something else in just a second. And I'm going to get rid of this or move it. And I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete these. I'm deleting the lines. Now I'm going to move it over and there's going to be some lines and I want to delete them. So now I want to put this back and we've already got half of them done, but now we need a rectangle here to cut away this part. So we kept this, but I'm going to get the triangle out of or the square out of the way. And we still have this over here and we want to, it really makes life easy when stuff snaps to an intersection because it's dead on. Now nudge it over twice. I was really wanting to put it, I must have did the wrong one. I really want this one. Yeah, I just made an error there. There we go. That's what I want. Now, because we've already cut away the other one, I'm going to grab it, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And then take our virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. Now don't forget to nudge it out of the way so we can get rid of those black lines that are left. So I'm going to nudge this out of the way. There's our black lines. Take it back, put this back, and then put this back. So now we have over under clean lines on a, with lines. Kind of hard to, I'm going to select all this, hold down the shift key, double click the rectangle tool, make it black, object, order, back a page. That's pretty cool. That would make a really good pattern, and I might make one more video. But anyway, if you didn't watch them all, they're pretty informative how to do this. And basically there's two, but this is the second video on this one to get the over under. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.